Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jasmine McDonald, and if you're new here, I post ballet and fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and now Sunday. And if you're new here, you may as well hit subscribe. Today's video, I thought I would do a glute workout because I know I need it. I know some of you guys really like these glute and these ab workouts. Those tend to be your favorite. So let's go ahead and get started. This glute workout specifically is going to help with mobility in your hips as well as middle splits. At least it has for me in my personal experience. So go ahead and take your legs in a 90-90 double stag in front of you and just go from one side to the next just to warm up the hips a little bit. Let's go for 5. And we have 4. And we have 3. And we have 2. And last one. Go ahead and go onto your elbows and let's just do 5 circles with each leg for 5, 4, nice and easy, 3, 2, 1, and let's reverse for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch legs. We have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and reverse for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go ahead and lay all the way down. Feet are flat on the floor. This workout, we won't need any equipment, but let's go ahead and plant our feet flat on the floor. On the next exhale, lift your hips up so that they're in line with our knees as well as our shoulders in this bridge. Squeezing our glutes here, engaging our core muscles, think belly button to spine. We're going to lift our heels up. Good, let's lower down. And again, lift up and lower down. Let's go for 3. And lower down. Let's go for 4. Option to take your arms in a first position or straight in front of you. 5. And lower down. 6. Lower down. 7. Lower down. Last one. 8. Place your hands flat on the floor. This time dig your heels into the floor and do 10 little pulses for 10. Squeezing your glutes each time. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, stay with me. 1, we're going to lift one knee at a time for 5 and place it down. And 5, switch legs, put it down. Let's go with the right. 4. If you're feeling this in your hamstrings more, totally normal. 4. And we have 3. And let's go for 3. Belly button to spine connection still. 2. And 2. Last one, 1. And last one. Beautiful. Lower your hips all the way down. Give yourself a hug. And then let's go ahead and sit up. Swing your legs behind you into a tabletop. Let's place our left elbow down. I'm going to mirror you guys. And we're going to place our right hand flat on the floor. We're going to do 10 fire hydrants with our shoulders and our hips facing the front. Then we're going to extend our leg. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tap it down 5 times. Just follow me. Don't worry about remembering it. But let's lift up our leg for 10. And down. We have 9. And down. This is also really good for dancers to help get you a better side tilt. 7. And down. 6. And down. 5. And down. 4. And down. 3. And down. 2. Beautiful. Last one. Keep the knee lifted and we extend and bend for 5. 4. 3. 2. Stay with me. 1, place both elbows down. Keep your leg as high as you can, keeping your shoulders and your hips facing the floor. We tap the toe down and up for 5. 4. 3, belly button to spine. 2. And 1. Beautiful. Bring the knee back in. Tuck the toes under. Send the hips up. Stretch out the back of the knees. And then go ahead and go onto your side. Don't worry, I didn't forget about the other side yet, but we're gonna go onto our side and do a couple of clamshells with the same leg working. So the right leg should be on top. Let's open up the knee for 10 and tap the knees together. And we do 9 and tap. 8 and 7. And we do 6. That was my foot, by the way. That squeak earlier. 5. Not that anybody cares. 4. And we have 3 and 2. Stay with me. 1. Beautiful. Keep your legs parallel. Extend the right leg, and we lift it up as high as we can go. We do little pulses for 10, 9, keeping it parallel, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring the knee in and squeeze it to the back. Squeeze your glute to lift the leg backwards like you're doing an arabesque. And again, bring the knee in and squeeze it back. And again, for 3, squeeze it back. 4, and last one, 5. Beautiful, stay with me. Go onto your elbow, tap your foot down, and we lift the leg as high as we can, lifting our waist as well for 10. Tapping it down. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Go ahead, relax. Take your feet in a butterfly to stretch out your glutes. And we do the same thing to the other side. Go ahead and place your right elbow down, left hand on the floor, right knee down, and we start with our fire hydrants for 10. And down. 9. And down. Belly bend to spine. 8. And down. 7. Stay with me. 6. And down. 5. And down. 4. And down. 3. And down. 2. Almost there. And 1, we extend and bend for 5. 4. 3, 2, and 1. Place both elbows down. Keep the leg lifted. We tap it down for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Take the knee in. Stretch it out. Tuck the toes under. Lift the hips up to stretch out the back of the knees. And then let's go onto our side. Left leg stays up, and we go all the way down. We open up the knees, and we tap the knees together for 10. And 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one, stay with me. 1. Beautiful. Extend the leg as high as you can, directly to the side, nice and parallel, and we pulse it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring the knee in and squeeze it to the back. Squeeze the glute to lift the leg to the back like an arabesque for 4, and lift it back. And we have 3. Lift it back. 2. And back. Last one. 1. And back. Stay with me. Take the leg directly to the side. Place the right elbow down. Lift the waist. And we lift it up and down for 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. Almost there. 5. 4. 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Go ahead and relax. Take your feet together in a butterfly to stretch it out. Feel free to also take one heel on the knee, one knee on the heel. and switch. I hope you guys enjoyed today's workout. Let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.